Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video. An update on STX and the STX token. Wanted to do a full update on that. We'll briefly go into some of the fundamentals in both the market but also for STX specifically. I think we need to do that. I'll just try to give you a full overview of what to expect. We're close to that bullish breakout again, which we've been trying to get with STX for a very long time. Which is a real confirmed bullish breakout above $1.05, which is a major resistance. You can also see it has a golden VIP level there. Usually those levels are very strong. You can also see that they have been respected quite often historically. quite big touches came off of that. So a bullish breakout above that I think would be amazing as well. This one was a fake out, as you can see. We did not manage to get to confirm that break retest, to get support after breaking above that. But we'll explore whether that is possible right now. Before we do that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals, including from STX, check out the links in either the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join. Alright, so right now if we start off fundamentally, the market is bullish. Bitcoin is trying to break above 26,000. There seems to be a lot of bullish momentum, even though there's not a lot of volume coming into the markets. I mean, there's like $6 billion. It's a lot, of course, in the last 7 hours, but it's not disproportionately a lot. So there just seems to be quite a lot of bullish momentum, whether that's because of next week with the interest rate decision and just in general in anticipation of the monetary policy of the US, or whether there are some other things behind it, like the dollar strength index falling. Doesn't matter, it's bullish. STX itself, we already looked at it like 2 days ago. I think STX itself is doing amazing. Daily active addresses is in the rise again, and it's very high. Daily transactions is rising as well as again, and the total value locked today. I think we actually reached a high, or how do you call it? An all-time high again. I mean, if you, for example, take a look at what is this? This is Apto's total value locked. That's the wrong. That's the wrong. Shortcut. But yeah, if you take a look at STX, well, alright, it's not an all-time high. In April 2022, we actually reached 40 million. But you can see that it's very, very high. I mean, we haven't reached these total value lock numbers since like the Terra Luna crash. So STX itself is doing amazing. So all of the fundamentals, I think, are pointing towards a bullish breakout. Now, the only thing that is not necessarily pointing towards it then is the technicals. As I said, this level, it's not for no reason that we have found resistance at those levels twice, and that it was very strong. I mean, the first time we touched that level, we dropped down all the way down to 55 cents, and the second time we also dropped down quite a bit. Now, let's be fair, both of those times were fueled by fundamentals as well. I know that's the truth. But the same could happen right now. The market right now is very unpredictable. There are a lot of news events happening. We could have bad news, but all right. Purely technically, we have already touched level twice. Fundamentally, we're very strong. So purely based on that, I would say that we will be able to break above 1.05. Then there's resistance at 1.1. Then we need to find support at 1.05. So not like this. We really need to find support there. If that happens, I think we can rally up to 1.2 and 1.23. All right, that's what I think. This is the most likely scenario now. But as I said, I mean, if we do the same thing as last time, if we break above that and then drop down below that immediately after, we'll just take a break retest and drop back down to 90 cents. Because in the end, we should not forget it's a very strong resistance. But all right, that's my full take on it for today. For now, I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, take care and bye.